What's up, everybody? Today we just want to give you an update on what's been going on behind the scenes at Slapdash. First we want to talk about the Saturn Ion. It turns out that was a really easy fix. That car is currently for sale. We're done with it. Next up, the Black Focus. The Black Focus is leaving shortly. The insurance is going to settle with us, and we're getting rid of it. It's done. Then Power Tour.
Yeah.
You want to talk about Power Tour?
Well, we really just looked at all the parts we need and added everything up. We're still gonna try to make the Camaro ready for the summer, but I don't know. With all our side projects and everything going on, we kind of stopped working on it there for a while. We painted the underside of the car, the color of the car that what it's going to be. Painted the frame and the leaf spring sandblasted and had those painted, but honestly I don't know if we're actually going to make that deadline. We're still going to try, but we found something a little cooler. Not cooler than a Camaro, but
It's pretty cool.
it's pretty rad. So we're gonna see if we can go pick that up today, and we'll surprise you with that.
Yeah. If everything goes well with purchasing this car, we're going to have more videos on it.
A lot.
Getting it ready.
Basically, found it on Marketplace last night. Said it hadn't run and drive in like 2 years or something. Dead battery. Gave us like a whole detailed spiel about brake lines were new, and it looks like it was someone's grandma or grandpa's car. Like the interior is nice. It's not destroyed. The person selling it is kind of upset that he has to sell it, so I mean, we're not going to destroy it, so don't get any ideas.
Nope.
We're going to probably throw an exhaust on it. I have wheels off the Camaro that we're going to throw on it.
Oh, you're giving too much away there, bud.
Well, they already know it's a Chevy.
Oh, man, now they really know. But, yep, we're going to cut you off there, and if we get it, we'll bring the camera along and show it.
Yeah. Oh, don't worry, the camera's going to be there.
Alrighty, we'll see you.
Alright, so we're out in the middle of somewhere below Lancaster, and the owner of the car texted us and informed us that there is a vehicle blocking the car we're going to look at. Good Lord. And he says it does not run, we have to move it. Not really too concerned, but we don't know what it is, so we figured since it's a surprise to us, we'll leave it up to a surprise for you. And we're like 2 minutes away. Pretty nice day out. But yeah, this is where it's at down here. This is the road that the guy said it's on. Oh God. What is this place? Trash company? Oh, it's down in there. God, I hope we don't have to move a garbage truck. Alright, I'm guessing it's this one. Say it's down here. Said it's outside, so let's go over here. Got some 18 wheelers.
I think it might be down there, dude.
Down there?
Yeah.
No
Maybe.
way. Oh, I see it. It's right there. Okay, let's go around. Yeah, it's freaking rad. It's got the wood grain. Oh, he might already be here. Oh, dude. All right, so hey, check it out. This is our 1993 Chevy Caprice. This is Noah, the original owner from it, and we bought it. And it's exactly how he advertised it, and we are gonna make it ready for Power Tour.
I'm glad to see it go to a good home, guys.
Yeah, appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you. Dude, check this out. This is probably the coolest thing about this car. We are leaving that on for life. The guy we bought it from knows how to design things on computers, and he actually made that, he said. And it's exactly what we wanted. I couldn't be any happier. I don't really feel like a fat kid in a candy store getting some diabetes on, but it is perfect. Look at all this junk though. Yeah. Probably gonna just donate that or something to Goodwill just to get rid of it. There is an Elmo in the back. Check out the Elmo. The Elmo. Yeah, I got it. Let's close the door. Yeah. So there is a third row, and it faces the back of the car.
Tickle me Elmo.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's like 15 grand on eBay. But yeah, she's really on the trailer here. All kinds of safety. Yeah. I hope it don't fall off, but the throttle was stuck shut, so we kind of like revved it up and it just kind of stayed there, so we just dukes of hazarded onto the trailer. But
That's how we got out of it too.
yeah,
There's no room to open the door.
it's got a little bit of rust. It's right here and right there, but that's like, I already looked underneath it. It looked pretty clean.
It has surface rust underneath, but nothing that we can't take care of.
Not really any brakes, and it is leaking dick fluid. Dude, it's freaking mint. Mint. Yeah, so we're gonna go drive home and do some donuts at a Walmart. Maybe what?
Alright guys, so look forward to more videos on the Caprice wagon that we got for Power Tour. And remember to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.
Yeah, I'm getting tired of doing this for free.